I've been searching for a way to use VO3 completely free, no tricks, no paywalls. Stick around, because I finally found it. I discovered a hidden shortcut that turns into your very own VO3 animation studio. And the crazy part, you can set this up today. You can make unlimited videos in full HD 1080p. No watermarks, no credit card, nothing. Sounds crazy, right? So don't scroll. I'm about to show you, step by step, how to use this tool to make clean, good-looking videos in minutes. Let's jump to my screen and get started. Alright, first up, open any web browser where you can log into your Google account. The email I'm using here, just a normal, simple one. Nothing fancy, nothing paid. See? Super easy to get started, right? Now, let's get one thing clear. This process is mainly for users in the US. If you're in the US, no VPN is needed at all. But if you're outside the US, you'll need a VPN. And make sure the location is set to the US. A lot of people get confused here, so I'm repeating it. Simple rule, US users do not need a VPN. Users outside the US should use a VPN. Clear enough? Great. You're probably curious about which VPN works best. My go-to is NordVPN. It's reliable and works very perfectly. But if you prefer a free option, Urban VPN does the job too. You can try it. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. Once your VPN is up and running, we'll proceed to the next phase and continue the process. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. First, type in search for Opal Google. You'll see a website pop up that says Opal Experiment. That's the one you want to open. Fun fact, this is Google's experimental tool, so some features are still in testing. Once you open it, you'll reach the Sign into Opal page. Go ahead and log in with your regular Gmail account, nothing fancy needed. When the option pops up, just click Continue. Simple enough, right? But hang on, there's a little setup next. Next, you'll see a permissions screen asking for access to Google Drive. Click Select All and then Continue. You might be wondering, why this permission? Well, anything you create here gets automatically saved to your Google Drive. So everything's safe, secure, and you won't lose a thing. Pretty neat, huh? Now that you're signed in and everything's set, let's explore the customizations available for your first project. This part is truly enjoyable, so stay tuned. Alright, we're signed into Opal and the whole interface is loaded. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Opal? Simply put, it's a platform that lets us build mini apps using Google's own tools. Heads up though, it's still experimental, so some things are a little in testing mode. Here, I'm gonna click Create New because I want to start a fresh project. Give it a sec, loading, and boom! The full interface is right in front of us. Looks cool, right? But the real fun is just getting started. All we have to do here is one thing, give it a prompt. Once you drop a prompt, Google Opal automatically builds an AI agent app for you, all powered by Google's AI magic. But don't worry, you don't have to struggle to write a prompt. I've prepared a precise, detailed prompt for you. Just grab it from the description and paste it here. It's step by step, telling Opal exactly what kind of app to make and how it should work. After pasting, just hit enter. Give it a few seconds. And there you have it. Your app is being created. Crazy, huh? All that magic with just one prompt. Alright, now the app structure is all set up. Take a look at this. First, it shows that we can upload an image and animate it. Right below that, there's an option to create a video just from text. Basically, the app has already set up two separate models for us. Pretty neat, huh? I'm gonna click Start now. It asks me to upload an image, but I'm skipping that for now and just pressed enter. Why? Because I just want to try the text to video option first. So I copied my prompt, pasted it here, and hit enter. It's step by step, so we need to wait a few seconds while it generates the video. And boom! Our video is ready. Let's play it and see how it turned out. Check this out, the video has rendered in amazing quality. It's full HD and there's no watermark at all, meaning it's completely clean and ready to download. Just click the three dots on the bottom right download and you'll have your video instantly. Easy, right? Now for future projects, there's a refresh button at the top. Hit that and all your settings reset. Then you can paste a new prompt, click start and make another video from scratch. That's how you keep creating fresh videos with this setup. Super simple and super fast. And just like that, you can create unlimited AI videos with this tool. It's completely free, and there are no limits on usage. Crazy, huh? But here's the thing, this free access might not last forever, so start experimenting today and take your content to the next level. If you want to stay on top of the latest AI tools and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.